content is still king. But the problem is there are just so many forms of content now. So where do you start? Content marketing for your business can be a full-time job. And if you're not in a position to hire a full-time marketer or you're looking to do it yourself, then you'll 100% need a content marketing strategy. There are plenty of people who don't realize that content marketing is a strategy. The term content marketing has taken on a lot of different meanings, so it's important to make sure you're not misusing it. A content marketing strategy can help you create a plan and a strategy for your business that includes content ideas, how to implement them in your business, and how to measure your success. Here are some guidelines you could use to help create your content marketing strategy. 1. Who's the audience? 2. What's the objective of your content? 3. What's unique about what you offer that others do not? 4. What message do you want to deliver with this content? 82% of marketers actively invest in content marketing, which means the odds are your competitors are investing. So if you're not, you're going to be left behind. But content marketing can be quite overwhelming. So it's essential that you create a content marketing strategy before you delve in. Whether you're new to content marketing or are a seasoned pro, there's something for everyone in this video here today. From simple tactics to more advanced strategies. A content marketing strategy is a detailed document that plans out exactly what content you will publish, via which channels, when, and to whom it is designed to help you create and to think of a clear path to talk to your target audience, educating and entertaining them while bringing awareness to your brand. It should list your goals on each platform and a timeline for achieving those goals. So set your goals as far as what do you want to achieve? Who is your target audience and what do they need? Who are your competition and what are they doing? What is your content marketing plan? Create your content and promote it. Now this last part is where most business owners struggle, either with the creativity or finding the time to do it. I also struggled at first with this part, but then I found something that simplifies the process for me and I use it daily. It finds the content, promotes it, and also captures and follows up with the leads it gets from that content. It has been a godsend for me and my business. I hope what I shared with you today is of some help and will help you find organization to your marketing. Or if it just seems to overwhelm you, I can share with you the service that I use to make all of this a whole lot easier. If you want to know what I use to make my life easier, I'll share a link with you and I'll place it in the comment section or the description section of this video. And you can take a look at it for yourself, man, and go over it. It's been a godsend for me and my business and cleared up so much time for me and relieved me of so much stress, man. And if this seems overwhelming, you need something a little bit more simple for you so that you can understand and process it, I think it can help you. I really do. So thank you for your time again. Have a good one.